How to fix phones that won't turn on. For almost any issue where an Android device won't start, it is always feasible to pull the battery and reinstall it to see if the issue persists. In other cases, when you plug your device into the USB port on computer and the device doesn't turn on, it may simply just because the device not have enough power. Charge your battery for more than 30 minutes to see if you can borrow a battery with a similar device and give that a try. If none of the above steps work, you may want to perform a factory hard reset on your Android.